Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Amrit Amo Photography. My name is Amrit and I'm a trained and certified newborn baby photographer based in Mumbai. In today's video, I'm excited to talk more about our magnetic backdrop system for the floor and magnetic backdrop system for the wall, which is from AA Prop Store and available to purchase on our website amritamo.com/shop. Really excited to take you through the key features and demonstration of this unique backdrop system. So let's get started in today's video without any further delay, as I'm excited to take you guys behind the scenes as we use it in our studio. So let's get started. ये fabric backdrop मैं लगाने जा रही हूँ and I'm going to be using our magnetic backdrop system in our studio to put this backdrop. और इसको लगाने के लिए I use these kind of magnet clips. This by the way is from our AA Prop Store. You can also order yours अगर आपके स्टूडियो में आपको एक magnetic backdrop system चाहिए, because honestly जो setup हम इस system पे कर सकते हैं, it just is so easy and your backdrops are wrinkle free and you will see कि just it's a task of minutes. Within 2 minutes your setup gets ready. So let's do the assembly of this backdrop. I will take one end. The pack contains 6 powerful hook magnets which can hold up to 5 kg of weight. It also comes along with 6 4x4 inch powder coated metal plates. This is a unique, portable and lightweight backdrop system for all kinds of photoshoot requirements. This is how you can use the 3M tape to assemble this backdrop system on the walls of your studio. All you need to do is you need to stick it on both the sides and then place it on the wall like this. So these are the magnet plates जो कि backdrop के नीचे जाते हैं, and it is going to make my backdrop wrinkle free at all the times. Very easy to assemble. Now once I put them inside, I will take my magnet holders similarly. I will put the magnet plate inside over here and assemble it. So that's it. तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं, even if I go on this backdrop, ये wrinkle free ही रहता है. It's very easy to assemble और within minutes my backdrop gets ready. Very easy to change. अगर मुझे इसको निकाल के दूसरा backdrop लगाना हो, it just takes me 2 minutes. So that's what is so special about this backdrop system. Now talking about the props, इस setup के ऊपर I have chosen 2 wooden rustic props. So we will see which ones I'm going to use. There is also one bed option जो कि मेरे mind में है, वो मैं लेके आऊँगी अभी. Mostly because this baby is around 40 days old, तो शायद से bucket pose हम नहीं कर पाएँ. But then I am going to try. If the baby cooperates, we can very well achieve the bucket pose. If not, then we will be doing our normal जो हमारा back pose रहता है, side pose रहता है. Those are the poses that we are going to try with the baby on this setup. So friends, this was about today's video, as I shared more information about our wall and floor magnetic system from AA Prop Store, and it is also available on our website amritamo.com/shop. This is where you can go and check out more information about this product and also order yours over there. If you have any more questions about this product, feel free to reach out to me using the information provided in the description box below or reaching out to me on my email. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm excited as you bring this product to your studio as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time very soon with many more such videos. Till then, bye bye, see you and take care.